Hi, this is Josh from Investing in the Web, a website where we help you review and compare different investment platforms. In this video, we'll delve into how to buy the S&P 500 index from Europe, including how to choose a good S&P 500 ETF, tips for choosing an ETF broker, and more. For the complete version, check out our in-depth article on investingintheweb.com. The link is in the description box below. Step 1. Pick an ETF tracking the S&P 500. The S&P 500 consists of the leading 500 publicly traded US businesses. It includes large well-known companies like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft, just to name a few. It is, however, impossible to directly buy the S&P 500 index. What you can do is invest in the S&P 500 through an instrument replicating every movement of the S&P 500, like an exchange-traded fund or an ETF. The table on screen shows the 5 biggest S&P 500 ETFs available to Europeans. This list was already filtered by using Just ETF, which is a site that can help you easily find and compare ETFs. Step 2 is to choose a good ETF broker. Having selected one of the above ETFs, you need to find a broker where you can actually invest in it. To help you, we have summarized what each brokers offer in their platforms using the ticker symbols presented in the previous table. And obviously not less important are the fees, the minimum deposit, the overall number of ETFs provided, and the regulators. Here's our summary. Step 3. Place a buy order. If you've found an online broker that suits your needs, all you have to do is find the ETF within your chosen broker and place a buy order. For this example, we will use DEGIRO. So, A. Search for your ETF. We will use CSPX as an example. B. Click Buy and choose the order details. C. Finally, place your order by clicking Place Order and a new window will show up. Here you can take a final look at all the details before clicking Confirm. And that's it. Once you've picked your ideal S&P 500 ETF to invest in based on your index fund research, found a low-cost platform that suits your needs, and made your first investment, it's done. Let us know in the comments what else you want to know about investing in the S&P 500 from Europe. And make sure to check out the full article on investingintheweb.com. Description box below.